So, ayun, naka-receive ako ng 1,662 pesos. Hi, Loves Larian! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys is i-share ko sa inyo yung panibagong website na na-discover ko kanina lang. So ayan, haggard na haggard pa ako ngayon kasi quick video lang to and quick review. And nakita nyo kanina sa introduction ko, nakapag-payout ako nung ganun na halaga. So kung interested ka sa video na to at kung gusto mo kumita just by liking, commenting, and sharing photos, just keep on watching. At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga future uploads ko. Without further ado, let's get onto the video. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa website ni PhotoJingle. So you can click the link below kasi kapag yung ginamit yung link nasa baba, instant magkakaroon kayo ng $2 when you sign up. So eto guys, yung website ni PhotoJingle. Ayan, instant earning without hassle kasi nga mag-like, share, and comment lang tayo dito. Ang sabi dito, an online website which cares and pays for your insight on users' photos and minimum withdrawal is only $10. So, mababa guys yung minimum withdrawal natin. So, mabilis lang tayong maka-withdraw agad. So, no skills required. Ayan. And earning process, we have to view, like, comment, and share yung mga pictures ng user, yung mga nag-upload or parang nag-upload ng advertisement nila, ganun. And you will get 0.10 for each task listed above. So, ayun guys, makakakuha tayo ng 10. So, if ever maka 10 tayo na task, meron tayo agad na $1 na. So, incredible earning model. So, ayan. I-share ko sa inyo yan mamaya. And also, nakalagay din dito yung recent payouts nila. So, first step is, gagawin natin is to sign up. So, makikita nyo sa taas dito, guys, yung sign in. So, wala kasing sign up dito. So, ang i-click natin is sign in. So, meron na ako dito kasing account. So, ayun, kapag ni-click nyo yung link sa baba, automatic mapupunta kayo sa website ni PhotoJingle. And also, click nyo yung sign in and mag-sign in kayo ng gusto nyong account. So, ayan, nakita nyo yung account ko. Ayan. So, my plan is bronze, valid up to August 4, 2021. So, makikita nyo guys, is may balance ako na $36.30. So, ayan, yung mga task ko, ginawa ko na siya kanina. So, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo guys, yung ginagawa dito kay PhotoJingle. So, bago ang lahat, click natin yung how to earn. So, earn by doing simple tasks. Monetize your view on photos with minimal effort. We want you to make money for yourself and help others to earn from our referral program. So, ayan. Every view, makaka-earn tayo ng 0.10 sa bawat pag-view ng photo. At pwede natin din i-like. Sa kada like natin, meron tayong $0.10. Ganun din. And also comment and share. So, ayan, meron pa din silang referrals dito guys. So, katulad nung sinabi ko sa inyo, na kapag ginamit nyo yung referral sign up ko, magkakaroon kayo ng $2. So, ayun. And also, referral upgrade earning. Kapag nag-upgrade ng plan yung na-refer nyo, magkakaroon kayo ng instant $50 sa nag-upgrade na na-refer nyo. So, referral task earning 0.001 kapag complete ng task yung na-refer mo, And also earn by becoming a mentor. So, flat 10% guys yung makukuha nyo. So, ayun, balik tayo dito. So, let's explore. Meron akong 26 free task and hanap tayo ng gusto nating i-appreciate. So, ayan. Ayun guys, makikita nyo, 0.10 sa wallet ko. Another one. Antayin nyo lang lumabas and like natin. Paano ba i-like? Ayun, okay na, like ko na. So, meron ulit akong 10. Like natin. Yan, dalawa agad. Comment tayo, wow. Dapat 50 minimum. So, tamad ako, wag na muna. So, ito. Nakita ko na pala yan. Ito. Like natin. Next. Ayan. So, kanina 36 yung pera natin, no? So, we'll check back later. So, ubusin ko yung task ko ngayon. And, babalikan ko kayo mamaya. So, ayan guys. So, tapos na siya guys. So, balik tayo dito sa aking account. So, as you can see, ubos na yung task left ko. And yung balance ko is naging 38. So, di ba sobrang bilis lang? And, ganun lang yung gagawin mo. So, after that guys, papakita ko na din sa inyo yung plans nila kasi bronze na yung sa akin kanina. Kasi kanina trial lang siya. So, eto, bronze. I got 30 daily task every day yon. So, kanina, which is yung trial is 6 lang talaga. And, ayan, upgrade earning. So, ayan, total earning, excluding referral earning. Ayan, yung pwede mong kitain araw-araw and weekly and monthly. So, ayan guys. So, I got bronze. And also, basahin nyo din guys yung frequently asked question nila dito. Kasi necessary itong basahin para may idea kayo what is PhotoJingle. And also yung referral program nila na pinapakita ko sa inyo kanina. Ayan, how much can I earn from my referrals? Yan, sinabi ko sa inyo. And also yung withdraw. How to withdraw. Meron silang Bitcoin, coins.ph, Payeer, and Perfect Money. Ayan, minimum withdrawal nila is $10. And how to withdraw with my Visa card. Ayan, Bitcoin wallet. And upgrade ng plan nyo. How can you upgrade your plan? On PhotoJingle, we have many plans. Ayan, basahin nyo yan guys kapag gusto nyo mag-upgrade. So, nandito lang yun sa plan guys. I-click nyo lang yung add plan for 1 year. So, ayan. Ganun lang siya kadali, guys. So, ayan guys. Ang ipapakita ko naman ngayon is paano tayo mag-withdraw dito kay PhotoJingle. So, as you can see, makikita nyo, ang aking balance is 38.90. So, i-click lang natin yung withdrawal. So, ang akin, nagagamitin kong payment method is tong Bitcoin Cash. Kasi kanina, chinek ko Bitcoin yung proof of payout ko. So, ano siya, medyo mataas yung gateway fee. Almost 500 pesos. So, sayang din. So, chinek ko Bitcoin Cash is around $2 lang. So, 100 pesos yun. So, ang ating i-withdraw is 38.90. So, i-click natin ang Bitcoin Cash and ilalagay natin dito guys yung address ng Bitcoin Cash natin. So, make sure na tama yung ilalagay nyo. So, i-click lang natin yung withdraw. At ayan, makikita nyo, withdrawal successful. Your funds will be transferred to your account in less than 8 working hours. So, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo guys kapag dumating na at i-update ko kayo. So, i-check natin sa coins.ph ko kung magkano yung dumating. So, ayun, naka-receive ako ng 1,662 pesos na galing kay Photo Jingle. So, ayun lang guys, dumating na siya. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kadali kumita dito kay Photo Jingle. So, ayun, that's it. That's all for this video. That's all for this vlog. If you like this video, don't forget to click the big thumbs up below and hit the notification bell and please subscribe to my channel. See you on my next vlog. Bye!